it a waste of time? Never mind, let me take you back and rewind. See, I was the girl, the kind that you'd see on the streets, bumping her head to the music and always on her 2 feet. Always with her head down, but somehow still in the clouds. Can't reach me now, try and take me down. No, baby, what do you see when you look deep in my eyes? Can't tell you what to expect. Better take a backseat, enjoy the ride. No, it ain't easy lying to the world when you just want scared, lonely girl. You had nothing to complain about, people got it worse. I ain't the princess in the story, I'm the witch who cast the curse. I'm the bitter one, criticizing everything I see. If I didn't know it, mama told me the joke was on me. Growing up, that's all I have been led to believe, that the world is out to get you, all they do is deceive. Was looking for myself, but I was thrown in the dark. Had to search for the light, didn't know where to start. So forget it, close your eyes, picture me when I'm gone. I know this feeling all my life, it's been there for too long. Step 1 is the hardest, you gotta surrender into the darkness. Stop dwelling or you'll be there forever. Tears filled to capacity, but no one's there to rescue me, cause they all got places that they'd rather be. Tears falling, skin crawling, but all the lines are blurred, cause you wouldn't understand something that you can't describe in words. So what's the point in feeling pain?